here taking questions, and this one is, what is a standard cover letter for Upwork? And that's from Daniel. Okay, so I would say a standard cover letter for Upwork is really just letting them know in very short detail that you know exactly what they need and you know exactly how to help them. Like, and if you're confident in that, that will show in a very small yet impactful sentence or two. And usually they're like, hey, if they're asking for, if they have like a WordPress problem or something like that, you can let them know like, oh, okay, like I am aware of that particular problem, and I know how to fix that. Like, get super specific in detail in again in a small sentence or two. What? Yeah, you're a real person. Like, you can do this right now. That's realistically all the clients care about. They just want their problems or help like yesterday, and they want someone that's not gonna just like bullshit them. Really, guys. Like, there's plenty of people that do that, and just yeah, it's a waste of time. Like, the worst is when they spend like all this time with some like kind of preformed, templated proposal that basically is just like a duplicate of their profile, and it's so annoying, and it's not funny, it's not cute. Like, I don't want to hear your anecdotes or like, it's because you're reading a lot of these proposals, and you just want someone real that like that like when I click on that profile and message them, like, you don't have to waste time with being like, well, this specific problem because you didn't really even answer that in your long-winded proposal. So don't get too crazy with the cover letters. That's what your profile is for. Keep all the information about you and all your awesomeness in the profile. Like, have them click because they like what they heard, and then have them invest their time into your profile. Put it on them. Change this into a sales strategy for you, because you want that micro commitment. You want them to save you first. You want them to click and watch your profile. Think about the flow of how they're hiring. So they want to click, and then they want to see who's behind this. Who said this, right? Who's this guy? Who's this girl? Click in and then read the whole profile and be like, oh, wow, they actually do know a lot of stuff, and they know exactly how to help me. This is great. Let me talk to them. Oh, cool. They're friendly. They're nice. Let's hire them. And it shouldn't be anything more complicated than that. The best deals just turn around extremely quickly. And people on Upwork are ready to go. They're not tire kickers. They're just ready for action. So hopefully that helps, and thanks. Bye.